Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 15-minute full body workout. We are gonna do 45 seconds through each movement with a 15-second break, and you don't need any equipment at all, but we'll go ahead and get this party started. You are gonna take a lunge back on your right foot, and then you're gonna pull that knee into the chest as you hop at the top, getting that heart rate up and really pushing it into that supporting leg. Here we go. And breathe. Awesome job, you guys. We are going to take that second side, lunging back on the left leg and pulling the left knee into the chest. If you need to modify this, you can take out the jump at the top and just drive that knee to the chest. Here we go. And breathe. Awesome work. We are going to head into some classic jumping jacks, bringing those arms overhead and hopping those feet out. Again, if you don't want to jump today, you can take just a toe tap, alternating feet. And let's begin. And rest. Next up, we are going to take a wide-legged squat with a twist over to that left knee, and then we switch sides, squat it low and twist to lift, activating those obliques and our glutes. Here we go. Take a rest, you guys. We're going to continue getting that heart rate up. Take your feet nice and wide. As you drop it low, you tap one hand down, and then you switch it, zip it back up. Here we go. right, you guys, bring those feet hip width apart and parallel. Your hands are gonna come behind your head with your elbows wide. You are gonna lift that knee up towards your chest using your abs as you twist that knee towards the elbow and activate the obliques. Here we go. Okay, you guys, meet me in a lunge on your right side. You're gonna bend into that front knee and drive your back knee in towards your chest as you pull those elbows back, getting your core nice and tight, really using that exhale. Here we go. And rest. Awesome job, you guys. We are gonna do that exact same movement, just switching sides. So meet me in your left lunge, and this time you're driving that back leg back into the chest, activating our core and sinking into that front thigh. Here we go. And breathe. Awesome work. We are going to take our feet nice and wide, getting into that upper body. You're going to take those punches, alternating sides, reaching across your chest, moving at whatever tempo feels good for your body today, but we'll begin now. And rest. All right, you guys, you are gonna take those arms and walk them out in front of your body until you find your high plank, and then you walk yourself right back up with a reach overhead at the top, and we will begin in 3, 2, 1, here we go. get down on the ground, you guys, we are gonna head into a tabletop position and extend our right leg straight back behind us. Those hands are coming under our shoulder blades, and we're taking a tricep push-up down, and then we press back up, keeping that leg lifted, straight, and that toe pointed. Here we go. And rest. All right, nice work, you guys. Roll out those wrists. We're doing that exact same thing, this time just with our left leg extended straight behind us. Make sure that those hips are square and your abs are pulling in tight. We take that tricep push up. Here we go. Take a breath. Awesome. We're going to flip onto our back sides and focus in on our core. So for this set, we are going to be taking our bicycles, twisting opposite elbow to opposite knee, keeping those shoulders elevated, activating those obliques. Here we go. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't want to jinx it, baby. All right, take a breath and stay on your back. We are gonna pull those knees into the chest as we find a lower body curl, and then you're gonna reach your arms and legs away from one another. We're gonna keep our shoulders hovering over the mat for this whole set, so you're working both your upper and low abs. Here we go. But I don't wanna miss you, baby. Amazing job, you guys. We've made it to our final exercise of this workout. Flip on over into a high plank position, and we are going to pull those knees into the chest, finding those mountain climbers, nice and strong for your final 45 seconds. Here we go. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, And finally, take that last breath. Give yourself a round of applause. You guys, that one was a killer. And if you liked it, I want you to know in the comments below. And we will see you back next time.